The iPhone SE2 is one of the most anticipated phones of 2018. Rumors and reports abound about the phone. We took a look at all of them earlier this month, yet Apple hasn't formally announced it. In the meantime, concept creator created a concept what we hope will be the iPhone SE2, because it looks amazing. By now it is widely accepted that Apple is not going to drastically change the body of the iPhone SE2. Concept creator ran with this and kept the same body, instead adding some spice with different colors. There are all black and silver options and even a beautiful red option that looks like one of Apple's product, red, special edition devices. Most of the changes to the iPhone SE2 are coming to the display, and concept creator imagines this to its full potential. Gone are the bezels, and instead we are treated to a bezel-less display that runs from edge to edge. It looks absolutely gorgeous, putting the iPhone X to shame. There's just something special about a gigantic display being packed into such a tiny body. Reports peg the display size to be somewhere around 4.7 inches, a big upgrade over the current iPhone SE's 4-inch display. The screen will not only span edge to edge of the phone, but it could also feature a smaller top notch than the iPhone X. The top notch is required to house the front-facing camera, sensors, and earpiece speaker. Since this is the second generation of that iPhone X notch, it appears that Apple has made improvements to slim down the feature. The document also revealed potential measurements for the new iPhone. These suggest the handset will feature a similar size to the current SE despite cramming in a far larger display. Apple is rumored to not only offer an affordable smaller option in the iPhone SE2 but could also a larger, yet more affordable iPhone X option. Yes, there is a notch at the top, but it's quite minimal. It looks much smaller than the one on the iPhone X, contributing to how beautiful the display looks. That's where Face ID would live with Touch ID gone, continuing Apple's adoption of its newest biometric sensor. We only hope the iPhone SE2 Apple releases looks as good as the one concept creator came up with. We'll find out on June 4th during Apple's WWDC keynote if the iPhone SE2 is unveiled or not. The rumored affordable iPhone X could ditch the current 5.8-inch OLED screen in favor of a larger but cheaper 6.1-inch LCD. Apple is still expected to offer a refreshed version of its current 5.8-inch OLED iPhone X, but to also offer a larger 6.5-inch OLED iPhone X option, which will, presumably, be the most expensive of the three iPhone X options. Apple is also rumored to be throwing in an 18W USB-C to Lightning fast charger with all its new iPhones this year. That could mean charging from 0 to 50% battery in just half an hour. Some current iPhones do offer fast charging but require the separate purchase of the correct charger to get that quick power up. By lowering iPhone prices and throwing in the premium charger, Apple could have a very appealing offering that helps it compete against the Android competition. The OnePlus 6, priced at less than half that of the iPhone X, offers better specs, some would argue, so Apple definitely needs to help make its future phones more appealing.